The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Shad Nongkrem kepada Shad tenrai khasi na duk kipor kulong kuma. Kalau kut no aksit hok diang juga tayo, dah ke Jingiphuh iphieng ha kepada kispa angut kipat ba kilawan bansaki ya kene Shad jong ke hima khairem kabala penlong ha yeng sat hasmit. Hagani kesni ya Shad layalam na kakun CM hakabala senran lang ya ka digitay soti nala bakirang kansai nakalang kahima khairem kibalemi unyo kejat kelempung Shad rengkat kakor kakriam kijingdeng bakordor ban pinish ke pertai bayar sasisen biang ya niam kurukom tenrai kun khasi bat kumju ke riti kedostor ke bagi departemen kejat menriau kelabuk janai ngaduk pulong kuma. Isamla senrang kilabat alagi kiti ya kawat lam bat usampia dah kebeple jingmut bat syashkor bat Shad kat kum kejung sawa pami kiksing bat kitang muri. Shad Nongkrem bat kepombelang kadai shibenta na kejing laniam kikun ki hajar jung hima khairem ban aingo egalai sensyar na kebenta ke bahak kamiat jung kunu hajar habarok kiliang ha kejing imjoki. La kalong ha garap karyang kayo kokot ke syong sup syong san kapule puthi bat kibai-kibai. Agni kesni sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Tunsong kanong aibut jung kesorkar jela i Dr. Amperin Nengdo UMLA ke Nongkrem uba Abdan Basayomad inong junggo kai nekeleng di jela ba nabari lawan mansaki kene ke Shad tenrai ba paunam ke jela. Hadin bala pendap ke jing Shad la penbuat pada kepojan miet ya ke jing penyablang ne ke pombelang ha ke bagi pat di sepangut kila ker saudong ya kamadan mansaki ne ke leniam le rukom mukasi no di por ki bamshwa. Pada kene ke jing pombelang le don lang di menteri ilengdo ki bakrau batri jung ima khairem ki beleshim bata syadham ban pendap ya kene ke leniam le rukom.
This year has been an improvement on last year's performance. Once again, the same festival, Thanksgiving festival, God Almighty, to bless us abundantly. The people of Himakharim especially, in their lives, in the struggle for a better livelihood, whether it is in the private sector, whether it is in the agriculture, whether it is farming, and for any other things that they aim to improve their life in any direction. We sought and we are seeking His blessing always, all the time. Through our endeavor to continue with the past, music and dance that we have inherited from our ancestors, with all the religious obligations that we have to perform, seeking His help to solve our problems and to upgrade our life in the future. So we have seen that this year has been a good year for us, and the day also the weather seems to agree with us. Today, in the last few days, there has been thriving, showers and all that, and the threat of a cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal. Fortunately for us, that's not dampen our spirit. And today is a cosmic day where you can see that the day has been a bright day for us. The sun has come out abundantly to bless us, and we are happy that the performers are there for all to see in good numbers, filling up this dancing field, and we are happy to say that we wish and hope that the people will benefit from our endeavor in our lives so that Hima Kharim will continue as a bastion of Khasi glory in culture and heritage.
Nongkrem dance, where we call it, and the Hima Kairim. I think one of the biggest Hima, you say, they do conducting the the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the same of Hima Kairim, and also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Hima Kairim, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state of. I think see, if you talk about the cherry blossom festival, it's totally different from this festival. This is a customary laws, I should say. It's also a spiritual festival, I should say. Whereas if you talk about the cherry blossom festival that we have, where the government also is part of it, it's totally different. This is to make sure that the exposures of our talents that we have in the state of India, different singers we have, different talented young boys and young girls. So that is already, I think that is totally different, I should say, from the festival that we are having like that. And now I'm telling you, we are fully part of the spiritual festival that we are having, be it Wangkala dance, be it Nongkrem dance, be it Senkhasi dance. We are part of it, and be it what we call it, be it from Joy, that Bedding Club. So government used to give some kind of assistance annually to these traditional bodies, so that they can preserve, they can further strengthen the the events that we have every year. In fact, we would again request all the district council, because we have 3 district council here in our state, Jantia, Khasi and Garo. We impress upon the district council to encourage people to make sure that the customary laws and customary practices is at any point of time prevails in the state of Nepal.
Shad Kadeshi Shakashan Kabalakapun the Kiblay. Kamday Kabasuk Hakani Kajuk Yakilong Ying Bakinlong Kita Kinong Kanti Jong Kani Kariam Kabet. Kani Kariam Kabet Kalong Shisha Kariam Kabet Kabapan Pair Yakilong Ying Hakani ka district kabahe kajongi kabaya kajongi bat hakani ka sngi nga ai kublay kabak kerpang ningkong shwa ya ipaim ya imeim bat ya isem kna kiban pendep ya kani ka rukom ka dustur kajongi ngidon kam ban pet ya kani ka dustur kajongi on hiar pateng nang ni syakman. Kata kadai ka challenge ka ba he, but ka snow ba, kung haka ni kasngi, isim, kinduay na kabunta, kikun benriw, satlak ka pungkay, pat ya kajalahi barokaway. Kani kadai ka bang snow ka ba kapkarpang, haka ba, isim, kim duay nam tayo ladi, ki ay Jingiphuh, ya ki kun ki hajan. Kani kadai ka tradition ka bapan per yang ni ki kasi na ki waypat ki judge benriu but ki benriu ki badang don ye kita kisim ki pacha ki badang don kum kani ke yang san but ki dekat paro na documentary ki wai